Good morning. My name is Romay Cupido. Today I want to discuss how to get results with the product Crack the Millionaire Code. Please subscribe, ring the bell and like because there is videos ahead, and if you ring the bell you get notifications of upcoming videos so that you catch up and use Crack the Millionaire Code to the best of your ability. Inside the product are free links, options, how to promote yourself, where to advertise, how to create ebooks after ebooks, and product after products with one system so that I can continue on the platform making videos for entrepreneurs to learn how to use these methods and how to grow from one system. So inside the product, you learn how to use the done for you system to develop 10x growth and scale to the next level with one system. You learn how to advertise, where, and how. You learn how to use the tools and what methodologies to follow so that you scale to the next level. So don't forget. My name is Romay Cupido. Please subscribe. Hit that bell so that you get notifications and like. I will leave all the links in the description and also the link to the Facebook where I leave free products for you to download as a member of the system to keep developing and growing. Now, I am looking forward and meeting and hearing and listening to whatever questions you have and what's happening in your environment. So join the Facebook group so that you grow and you get ahead and advance with a free system. I want you to be able to live the best life that you can by building an online presence with a long-term income system for you. To your success, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Romay Cupido. I see you on the other side.